Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin dropped, like I said in yesterday's video, predicting the drop. The announcement was the SEC is suing Binance, CZ from Binance, the American government, destroying the crypto market, literally kicking us while we're down. Normal for the SEC. Remember, the SEC is there, they say, to protect investors, but from my experience, they've done the most damage to investors that I've ever seen out of any other person in the entire world or company or anything. The SEC does the most damage, in my opinion. I'm going to show you why. Hit the subscribe button. You know why. It already dropped 10, 15% multiple times over billions have been wiped off the crypto markets over and over and over again because of the SEC's policies. They just don't understand cryptocurrency technology. It's a revolutionary technology that allows micropayments. Why they want to stop it is because they only want accredited investors to invest in the stock market. They only want you to buy stocks at IPO when it's already hundreds of billions of dollar valuation. After Wall Street has made their money, after the government has made their money, after the SEC has made their money, then they allow the public to buy stocks after it's already $100 billion valuation. So that's teaching you something. In crypto, you can get in right at the beginning. It's decentralized through your wallets. No one is controlling it. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We're going to jump into the Bitcoin charts. I'm going to show you Ethereum trading as well. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market. Bitcoin dropped quite. IOTA also dropped. I'm going to go over that as well because my trade. Look at the market. Look what the SEC did yesterday. Unity was up 17%, Tesla 1%, Google 1%, which is beautiful if we have those. Bitcoin dropped to 25K, Ethereum 1800, Ethereum holding on strong, MCRT holding on strong. IOTA dropped hard, IDEX dropped, TSM, IOTA dropped, FXS dropped quite hard. My trades on FXS added more. Let's go into the charts for Bitcoin. We're jumping in. Bitcoin getting hammered. My short playing perfectly. If you followed yesterday's video, this was my short from 27,000. Now we're at 25,000. We came all the way down to from 27,000 to 25,300. The market's shrugging off this SEC announcement quite strongly. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. Wait, it didn't save. Oh yeah, it did save my short. Look at that short from the earlier video, people. Booyah. 4 hourly. It dropped off. That was my short from yesterday's video, and it played out. It hit the target already, took profits, which is beautiful. That trade is successful. We get a bounce close to the blue line, a lot of volume coming in. I'm seeing, first when I'm looking at it on the 4 hourly, I'm seeing this M pattern. I still think we're coming down to, my yellow line is one possibility. If we don't get a strong bounce off there, then the red line is one of the other possibilities. I drew these yesterday morning, so about 24 hours ago. I still think we're coming. I would the long hit the stop loss from this long after the short played out. I would take the long from this one. I still think this is an M pattern on the 4 hourly. On the weekly, we're overbought. Still on the daily. Daily, we are also oversold now. Interesting. Stochastic coming down very quick on the daily. Good news. I still think this is playing out. Like you can clearly see, this is the main trend line that Bitcoin on the daily charts. Each of these candles becoming meaning one day, 25K is still the target. 4 hourly, it's oversold on the stochastic. So I would go long here on this trade that I talked about before. 40 risk to reward ratio trade. It opens on the blue line on the major support areas. But I think it can come down to this white trend here. Stop loss just underneath. That's a trade I would take. 29 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $435 to make $13,000. Risking $435 to make $13,000. With 10x leverage, it's $130,000. With 20x leverage, $260,000 of profits. That's a trade I would take. It would open Bitcoin trade at 24,708. Stop loss at 24,273. And take profit at 37,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade under this video, in the description of the video, go down below. You can follow the steps. Step 1, to set up the charts like you're seeing me do. Step 2, you get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link in the description. Step 3, join the 8,500 traders in Telegram trading. It's completely free. The links are in the description. When you sign up to Bybit, you get an account like this. My IOTA trade was $24,000 in the profits 1 week ago. It was $15,000 in the profits yesterday. Now it's $1,200 in the profits, but I am adding more to this trade. My goal is, it's a $102,000 trade. My goal is to make it a $250,000 trade. So I've got more trades for IOTA ready to add more at 17 cents, 17.55. I've got a Bitcoin trade and an Ethereum trade as well at 25,000. I've got this Bitcoin trade in this account. I have 269,000 in here. dropped quite a bit since yesterday after the second announcement. $40,000 in MCRT, $39,000 in Bitcoin, $18,000 in FXS. FXS added more to this position. I had buy orders for FXS and it triggered, so it made that FXS trade, it's 7% down, but it added more to that. And I've got some Uniswap, added more to Uniswap as well. And you can see here that I've got some buy orders still for Bitcoin at 25k, Bitcoin 23k, FXS $4, $5, $4, Uniswap $4.50. You can see I've got more buy orders to add more to those positions. And this is in Twitter. I'll show you Twitter. So this is exciting news: Bybit and DMC Crypto. So Bybit and the Dubai government making a deal, which is beautiful for blockchain technology. Australian crisis actors use spread fear about vaccinations. Will you buy Apple's new VR headset for $360,000? No, it's $3,600, but 84% of people are saying no. It's kind of strange how less than 20 people have as much money as the rest of the planet combined. New features for Magicraft, a global player ranking is coming, showing the top players where you can claim MCRT. You can play a game and earn money. It's the first play-to-earn game that's real. If you ask, can you make money playing MCRT by playing the game? I only have one answer for you. Yes, join the game, see it for yourself. And you can see these wins, people actually winning money from playing the game, which is beautiful. There was also Game Swift welcomes Magicraft game to our gaming family. Magicraft high quality, you can see that we joined with Game Swift, which is epic. Magicraft game. This was, crypto just got kicked when it's down. Look at that bloodbath that happened yesterday after the second announcement. When one of MCRT play-to-earn lobbies, people just panicking like crazy when one of the lobbies are down. We partnered with GameSwip. You can earn real money playing games, and the game is really a very cool game. You can check it out. Join my Telegram. These are some of my students made a lot of gains inside the Telegram, which is also beautiful. So again, all the links are in the description and the pinned comment down below. Go down below, sign up to those links, trade on Bybit, and that's where you can open trades. And I do think Bitcoin is going to come down to that 25k support, and then my trades will activate. In video in about 12 hours, I'll do trades on Ethereum, and I'll do the NASDAQ. Actually, let's check the NASDAQ now, because I want to make sure the stock market is not going to crash as well. Because yesterday, the tech stocks didn't move much, which is interesting. The NASDAQ is already at 13,000 as well. It hit my target. If you followed my videos from a long time ago, my target was this 13,000. Look, it literally touched my target line. It's sitting on my green line that I drew all the way back here. If you followed my videos, I talked about this at 11,000. I said it's either going to get rejected here or it's going to break out to 13,200. Look at that. Now we're at resistance. We're at a very strong resistance. We're overbought on the 4-hourly, double topped on the stochastic. On the daily, extremely overbought. Weekly, extremely overbought. Monthly, still more to go. But again, very overbought on the daily and 4-hourly. We're at a very strong resistance point here. That's why I drew this 13,200 on the NASDAQ. You can see when we go back that this was a very strong area of support back in 2020, 2021. You can see that this was a very strong support that's now resistance. And you can see here we had this same resistance in August 2020. Now, it might have a blow off top and come to 14k. And I think it will do that on the tech stocks just because they're running so strongly. And a big W formation. So I do expect that we can break out to 14,000. Even possible new highs on the NASDAQ. So we monitor it closely. But it is overbought. I'll monitor it in the next video as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button. Turn on the bell notification. Check out MCRT, the play to earn system. You can play games and earn money. It's the first time. You know how your parents always said, stop wasting time playing games. You can't earn any money. Now you can actually play a game on your mobile, PC, Android, Samsung, iPhone, play a game and actually earn money. $ MCRT. Do your own due diligence. None of this is financial information. You have to do your own research. Consult your brokers. Consult your financial professionals. Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe. Join us in that Telegram as well. The link down below. Everyone's trading and talking together. I'll show you that in the next video as well. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.